on Go. We can go to the dash so we can exit out of there and view our desktop page one more time to make sure everything is looking fantastic, which it is. And now we can go to the dashboard because we are done setting up our homepage. The next thing that we're going to do is create our About page. So what you want to do is click on Go to Dashboard. And now let's import the templates for our About page. So just go to Elementor, My Library, open up Tyler.com, and click on View Templates. Then I'm going to click All Templates and just look for something that I like. Maybe go to the second page. Keep on looking. And I like this Z1. And actually maybe I'll use the Z2, Z3, and Z4. I'll use all of them. And that will be my About page. Just keep it pretty easy. And you could Command or Control click if you're on a Mac or PC and open them all up into new tabs. Alright, then go ahead and download each one. And we've already done this, so I'll speed it up a little bit. And once all of those are saved, we can exit out of there and go to Import Templates, choose File, and import your template. Press Open and Import Now. And I'm going to speed through all of that because we have done that before again, and it's really easy. So just import all of your templates. Alright, and once you've imported all of your templates, just go to Pages and click on About. And you want to make sure that the content layout is 100% full width and the title is disabled so that we have the whole entire page to play around with. Then press Update and click Edit with Elementor. Alright, now we can add our templates in. So just click Add Templates and click on My Templates and we'll add all of them. So I'm going to add Z1, Insert, click Add Templates, go to My Templates, Z2, Insert, Add Templates, My Templates, Z3, Insert, Add Templates, My Templates, Z4, and Insert. Alright, once they're all inserted, you can click on anything and change the information. You can click on the button and change the text right here or change the link. Let's have this link to our contact page, which lives at /contact. And that is looking pretty sweet. If we scroll to the top and click on the edit section part, then go to Style, and we can choose this position as fixed for the image, or scroll, or default. With default, when you scroll down, it will scroll like normal. And if we choose scroll and scroll down, it scrolls like normal, I guess. But if we choose fixed and scroll down, you can see the image stays in the same spot when you scroll down, and it adds a cool little effect. So we're just going to keep that. Alright, so we're going to save all of that and exit out of there and view our page. And that is a really cool looking page, and you can tell your story on the About Us page. And they could click and go to the contact page, but we haven't built that yet. And if we squish it, simulating a mobile phone, and scroll down, we can see that it's a little funky. We see that Chris Brown is all the way to the left, and so is Jesse Olive. Pretty sure these are just made up names, but we're going to fix them anyways. Alright, so let's go back to Elementor, and let's click on this button down here and click Mobile to simulate the phone. And let's click on our button because we want to add a little space to this button because it's a little cramped. So if we click on it and go to Style and choose Typography as On, then go to Line Height, let's pump it up a little bit. We will make it 23. That looks pretty good. Alright, then if we click on Chris and go to Style, click on Content, make sure the mobile button is highlighted and click Center. It should center. And now we can click on Jesse and go to Style, then click Content and press Center. Now we can scroll back up, press Save, refresh our page, and view the page looking great on desktop and all centered and perfect on mobile. Alright, that's perfect. Let's exit out of there. Exit out of there also and go to our dashboard. And we are done creating our About page. The next page that we want to make is a services page. Of course, this can be any page that you want. So let's go to Elementor and let's go to My Library and let's find some services templates to put on our page. So again, we can go to tyler.com, that's tyler.com, and we could just go to /templates. Save us some time. And let's go to Headers and Heroes. And I like this V5 right here, so I'm just going to open it up in a new tab. And let's click on features and scroll down. Let's go to page 2. Scroll down. Page 3, I guess. Maybe page 4. We'll have some luck. Page 5. We gotta have some luck. And save the best for last. So let's click on C4. And now let's go to a miscellaneous one and click on P2. And there we have it, our services page. V5, C4, and P2. So let's download V5 and download C4 and download P2 and exit out of all of that. Then go to import templates, choose file, and just import all of those. And once you're done importing, you could click on pages and go to services. And we can view our page and we see that we have that title and sidebar that we want to get rid of. So we're just going to go back. And under content layout, we'll do 100% full width. That'll get rid of the sidebar. And under title, we'll disable. That'll get rid of the title and press update. All right, then we can view our page and we see that there's nothing here. It's a blank, clean page for us to work on. So we're just going to press edit page and edit with Elementor. Then we're going to add template and we're going to go to my templates. And we're going to add all of them. So we're going to add V5. Very cool. Add template. Go to My Templates. And we're going to add C4. Very nice. Scroll down. Go to Add Templates. Go to My Templates. And P2. All right. Awesome. And now we are going to edit it to our liking. First, let's click on the Edit section. So we're going to edit the top section. And we're going to add a little more space at the top. So we're going to go to Advanced, and where padding is, we're going to put 170. And we can see padding and margin. So padding is on the inside, and margin is on the outside. So margin would push everything away and add like a blank white space at the top if you put like 100 margin at the top. But padding adds it to the inside, so there's more padding at the inside of the top, so you still see the background and everything. It just pushes all of the content down, but within it. I hope that makes sense. All right, once we're done with that, we could click on the title, and let's change it to what we do best, and go to Style. And for the font family, let's do Open Sans. That's one of my favorite fonts. I think that's the font I use on my own website. And then if you want to look at the fonts, you can go to google.com/fonts and check out all of the fonts here. And you can uncheck these to only show handwritten fonts or serif or sans serif fonts or whatever you want. And we can exit out of there. I just want to show you those fonts. And click to edit the section again. Then go to Style. And we're going to change the background overlay. So go to background overlay. And maybe we want it to be blue and then green. So this will give us a gradient background overlay, which I think is a really cool effect. So click choose your color. And we can drag this to green, and we could choose this one as blue. Or what you could do is you can add in your own color. If you've copied a color from a different part of your website, you could just add in this hex code here. There we go. I like that green. And now we will add in a blue, and there we go. So we have that nice blue. All right, so that looks good. It goes from green to blue. And now we're going to change all of these icons. So instead of Facebook, let's type in WordPress. Find that icon, and let's type in WordPress. So maybe we do WordPress, and for the next one, we do the same thing. Let's type in Paintbrush and put in design, because maybe we do some design. And let's go to the next one, click on it, and use a pencil and type in content, because maybe we also do people's content. All right, that's looking pretty sweet. Now what we can do is change the second headline. Instead of fall in love with our features, we can say we're pretty good at these things too. And we could click this line here, and we can make it a different color, or of course type in any color that we want. And we can click on this real-time stats and change the content if we want, or go to Style and go to Content and change the color. I'm just going to paste in that same color green as a line, and I'm going to do that for all of them. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit so I'm not wasting any of your time, and make them all that green color. All right, now we're going to edit this last section here. So let's click on edit the section and then go to style and let's delete this image. But before we do that, let's actually search for a new image. And one of my favorite websites to get images that are free and copyright free and you can use them however you want is pixabay.com. That's pixabay.com. And we can search for interior design or